This review is for the Cutluxe Chef's Knife. I've been using this knife for about 2 months now, and I'm really impressed with this knife. When I first got it, the only problem I did have is where the full tang is. This edge, even on this one, sticks up just a little bit. The first one was much, much higher, and I actually cut myself on it. But that said, they returned it, no problem, and this one's within tolerance. And actually, I think they've addressed this because the new cleaver I just got had no issues like that whatsoever, so I don't think that's going to be a problem for you. It has a nice heavy weight to it. It's got a squared handle like all their knives. What I love most about their knives, this angle bolster is just it's heaven to use. It puts your hand right where it needs to go, and there's no cutting into your hand whatsoever. It's super comfortable to use. It's got a nice curve to the blade, the belly down into the cutting edge, and the heel of this knife has a nice angle. It has a nice pivoting action, so when you're chopping, it works very, very well. Very sharp. It comes pretty sharp too. As you can see, just touching celery, it goes right through. It chops beautifully, super comfortable, well balanced. It does a beautiful job chopping celery, or anything else for that matter. Really nice. I've only had to use my hone maybe 2 times on this knife. I always use a ceramic hone. Just give it a little swipe every now and then to get that edge true again, and then it's just like new. Very nice knife. The steel's great. It holds an edge for a very long time. This is probably one of my favorite chef's knives I've used in a long time. I've used Wusthof, I've used Henkel's, and probably every other brand on the market, and this one stands out. For the price, you can't beat it. Very impressed. Give it a try. Cutluxe.